What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to embed or how to share a Google Doc, okay, a Google Doc just like this, into your WordPress website for free. I know that everyone loves Google Docs because it's free, brings you awesome options for additions of documents, sharings, collaboration, and other things to do online and for free. But how to share or how to embed a Google Doc into WordPress is what we're gonna learn into this video. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet and our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is go to your Google Doc that would like to embed on your WordPress website, and right here into the upper right corner of your screen next to your photo, your account photo, you can see the share options. Right here we're gonna click and make sure that you have set anyone with the link can access, so anyone can access. The doc should be public, okay? Otherwise only the ones with access gonna be able to see the doc. After this we're gonna copy the document link, okay? So let me show you. Right here, any general access, anyone with the link, copy link copied, okay? Now save this for later. Move to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover or mouse over add new, mouse over plugins, and click on add new plugin, okay? Right here into the upper right corner of our screen, next to the keyword, we're gonna see a search field. Right here we're gonna click and type Embed, just like this. Wait a moment, and here is the guide that we're looking for, Embed Press. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect us to the plugins list, a list where we can see all of the present plugins on your site, okay? Nothing to do right here, okay? But now we're gonna be able to see next to the appearance left sidebar of menus a new menu called Embed Press. Right here you can see all of the plugin settings. You have general, shortcode, sources, elements, and branding, okay? In sources you can have a general idea about how many things you can embed, how many places you can embed content from to your WordPress website. Now imagine that you're gonna like to embed the Google Doc into one of our posts. Select the post, type enter, click into this plus button to add new block, click into Embed Press. Now just paste the Google Docs link that we did have copied previously. And here is our Google Doc already embedded. Let's test. Let me just update the post. Now let's test. And here is our Google Doc. However, we can edit this in the case that we want. For example, the widget and the age. For example. And here is the results we got. And you can keep editing in the way that you find the best options for you. If you review the right sidebar of menus into the block general settings, we can change widget, age. If you are a pro member of this plugin, we can add other options for content position. And now we can even apply share buttons into our Google Doc, for example, to share this on social media. And for the sharing preview, we can enter title, description, the position of the sharing buttons, a thumbnail to be shared on social media, and even apply extra CSS classes or block name, okay? Simple, easy, fast, and effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, templates, options, elements, and tools to build up your WordPress website for free using Elementor, Gutenberg, or WP Bakery Page Builder. or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install in order to customize your site in the way that you want with amazing features, or Growth.net platform, Growth with 3 Ws. In order to promote your blog, you can submit your blog right here to get listed and receiving and publishing guest posts, okay? And of course, connecting with a growing blogging community. In the case that you want to promote your site, your mobile app, your game, your landing page, your design as well, go to the sites.gallery. You can submit your site right here for free. You're gonna be listed, receiving awards, and of course be noticed by others' designs around the world. And as a final notice, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site based on WordPress, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. Amazing themes, templates, plugins, widgets, blocks, assets, icons, support, and many more features. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.